had no idea he could snore, and I had no idea. Each dog can shine on its own when there's less dogs, less of a pack, because Tiger hasn't been able to open up and blossom like this since he was born, you know, like maybe in the very, very, very beginning, but as dogs get older, what happens is they naturally get in their pecking order. So some dogs who need more attention, some dogs who need more loving, some dogs who want to kiss you all the time, they take number 1, 2, 3, 4, while the other dogs will simper down behind them for the attention last. And as the dogs find homes, one more is free to be more free, right? So Tiger, look at him. I had no idea he could snore. I've never heard him snore, and quite frankly, it's amazing. He's such a good dog. He is ready for a home, and if you think you can adopt him, let me know. But they've gotten into homes better off on some of the rescue websites that we have them on. So this video isn't for him to get a home. This video is just to capture how wonderfully cute he is.